Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to talk about the best unsecured credit cards to build credit. So if you're looking to boost your credit score up, you don't have credit right now, you need to just get some credit cards. I'm going to tell you about the best secured credit cards that you got, the unsecured credit cards, that you guys can get so that you can start building your credit. Now, the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is a Capital One credit card, but Capital One actually has a few credit cards that I kind of want to go over. So let's go over those now. Now, they have a total of 3 credit cards that I suggest you guys go ahead and start with to start building. And remember, we're talking unsecured credit cards. So that means your credit score should at least be over 580. If it's not, you guys really need to start with secured credit cards so that you can start building your credit and then you can get these unsecured credit cards. So they have 2 credit cards here. You have the Platinum MasterCard. And with the Platinum MasterCard, you guys, you don't have an annual fee and you don't have you have a high APR 24.99%, but you don't have that deposit that you'll have to pay. So no annual fee and no deposit, and you will not have any cash back at all. But on the other hand, we have the Quicksilver One rewards where you'll have 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. So whatever you buy, you get 1.5% cash back on it, right? And then also you guys will have the $39 annual fee. So you have to pay that fee every year. And I believe when you first get the card, they'll take that fee out right away for that card. But like I said too, you guys will get the 1.5% cash back. Now with my cash back, I have many credit cards with cash back. I have so much money I get back in cash back because I put a lot of things on my credit cards just to get those extra rewards. At first, I didn't do that. When I first got a credit card, I was like, I'm not going to go be that rewards person. But listen, when you can get $400, $500, $600 cash back every month, that is good. So I always try to get a lot of cash back. But yeah, you guys will have 1.5% cash back on the Quicksilver One rewards. Now, those are 2 credit cards you can get. Those are regular credit cards you can get. When I say regular, I mean that you guys will not have to put any money down to get them. Now, they have these 2, but these are secure, you guys. So if you're over 580, you don't have to worry about these 2. But make sure you pay attention to what you're actually applying for because you may accidentally apply for these 2 because they look the same. Now, the next credit card I want to talk about with Capital One is the Capital One Walmart Rewards card. Now, they have 2 of them. They have one where it's a MasterCard, and then they have the regular store card. So if you want to apply for this card, if for some reason you get denied for the MasterCard, they'll automatically see if they can give you like the regular store card. So make sure you guys, try to apply for the MasterCard one. If you can't get the MasterCard, that's one you can spend you can use it everywhere. Then they'll try to give you the regular one. Make sure you apply for the MasterCard. Now, you guys will receive 5% cash back at Walmart.com, including pickup and delivery. And then you guys will have a 0 annual fee. So $0 annual fee, which is good. I bought a lot of my groceries online at Walmart.com and just go ahead and pick them up. So that is really good that you guys will be able to have the 5% cash back. You guys are getting money back when you guys are shopping at Walmart.com, especially if you ordering your groceries there like me. Now, you guys also get 2% cash back at restaurants and on travel. So that's good. And then too, everywhere else, you guys will get 1% cash back. So that 1% cash back, that means that wherever you want to use your card at, you guys are going to get that 1%, which is really good. So you guys are actually getting rewards while you're having these credit cards, which is really good. And 2, they say that you're going to earn that 5% cash back in Walmart stores for the first 12 months after approval. So that's good. You guys are going to get that total 5% cash back in the first 12 months. Now, this is just a Walmart card. Like I said, too, if you can't get the MasterCard, they can try to approve you for just a regular store card. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is a Tumo credit card. I know you guys probably heard about this already. I made a lot of videos about them, about this credit card. I always talk to you guys about it, and that's because I have the credit card, and a lot of people that I suggested and referred to actually got this credit card. Now, this one, they're going to check your bank account. So they can approve you all the way from $100 all the way up to $10,000. So I always tell people, hey, apply for this, especially if you probably don't have the best credit score. They're going to just look into your bank account and they'll see how much money you have coming into your bank account. And then also they want to make sure that you don't have any overdraft fees or things like that. So make sure you guys don't have any of that going on. But they'll be able to approve you. They're going to need access to your bank account. So understand that they are going to ask for access to your bank account so that they can look into your bank account and see what's going on. But they'll be able to approve you for a credit card. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. So I always talk to you guys about Navy Federal. I really love Navy Federal. I love everything that they're doing. When it comes down to the Navy Federal credit cards, I always tell people if your credit is really bad, then go with a secure credit card because it's going to automatically upgrade to the credit card I'm going to tell you guys about, which is the Cash Rewards credit card. So I always tell people, sign up for this Cash Rewards credit card. Usually they'll probably approve you for over $2,000 and you have 1.75% cash back, well, up to 1.75% cash back. And I actually have this credit card too. So when I use this credit card and I earn rewards, I get that right away. And my rewards, I can put it into my account because I have a savings account with them and a checking account. So I can put it into my account and then I can literally use that money too if I wanted to go towards my bill. So anything that I already bought. So say if they say, oh, Rickita, you got $1,000 due. All the rewards that I have, I can actually move that over. And now when I move it over, now that's less money I have to pay on my bill. So I always tell people to go ahead and apply for this credit card. But for some reason, if you don't get approved for this credit card and you really want to get this credit card, which you should really want to get this credit card, then look into getting like the Platinum credit card or maybe the Gold Rewards credit card. These are 3 different credit cards you guys can apply for. Or if you're not getting approved at all, they're denying you in general, you may need to start off with a secure credit card, to be honest. So you guys can just start off with the secure credit card and you can just put $200 down on it. And then in 6 months, they'll upgrade you to this credit card and then they'll give you a $2,000 limit and then give you your $200 back. So these are your options, you guys. I also had the Discover credit card, but I actually didn't pull up the link fully. Let's see if I can actually pull it up for you guys. But you guys can apply for the Discover It credit card. Let's see. It'll pop up for us. But you guys can definitely apply for the Discover It credit card. And they have different ones that you can apply for. They got the student one. They got the secure one. They have regular ones. But here you go, right here, you guys. You guys can apply for this. And then you guys will get cash back. And then you guys will have no annual fee. So like I said, earn up to 5% cash back, earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, or when you pay using PayPal. So that's something really good. And then also look right here, you guys, you have a 0% APR for the first 14 months on purchases. So that's really good. That's over a year. That's a year and 2 months that you guys will be able to have. You guys will have the 0% APR. So if you were to keep a balance in your credit card, you're not going to be charged interest. So that is really good. And if you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know. But these are like the top credit cards. I think if you're looking to build your credit, you get these credit cards. And I always tell my clients, start off with 4 credit cards. So get your 4 credit cards, keep the balance low. And when you keep the balance low, you'll be able to get more credit cards when you apply for the additional credit cards. If you have any questions, call or text me. And don't forget, sign up for my exclusive credit membership. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.